You can't judge an apple by looking at the tree. You can't judge honey by looking at the bee. You can't judge a daughter by looking at the mother. And you can't judge a book by looking at the cover. Well, can't you see? Oh, you can't judge me. Well, I look like a farmer, but I'm a lover. And you can't judge a book by looking at the cover. Well, you can't judge sugar by looking at the cane. You can't judge a woman by looking at the man. You can't judge sister by looking at the brother. And you can't judge a book by looking at the cover. Well, can't you see? Oh, you can't judge me. Well, I look like a farmer, but I'm a lover. And you can't judge a book by looking at the cover. Well, you can't judge a fish by looking in the pond. You can't judge right by looking at the wrong. You can't judge one by looking at the other. And you can't judge a book by looking at the cover. Well, can't you see? Oh, you can't judge me. Well, I look like a farmer, but I'm a lover. And you can't judge a book by looking at the cover. Well, I look like a farmer, but I'm a lover. And you can't judge a book by looking at the cover. Yeah.